You've got countless rows of data. Half the dates are formatted wrong. There are blanks everywhere, duplicates you can't even see, and your boss needs this clean in 1 hour. Sounds familiar? Well, in this video, I'll show you how AI inside Excel can clean all this in seconds and write any formula you need, no experience required. So, when you open Excel, bring up Copilot right here. I'm going to type, and I mean just type in plain English. Find and remove all duplicate rows. Watch what happens. It scans the entire sheet, flags every duplicate, and removes them. So many duplicate rows gone in under 3 seconds. No count if formulas, no manual sorting, nothing. Next problem, errors. Look at column F, the revenue column. It has so many NA errors, value errors, blank lines. So now let's deal with this column. Normally, you'd write an if error formula, drag it down, copy paste as values. It takes forever. Instead, I'm going to tell you a prompt. Replace all error cells in column F with the word missing. Done. That's the magic of Copilot. You can see that the AI has converted all the error cells to the word missing. Now that we're in the revenue column, you can see that there are green flags in all the values. Now, why is that? Let's hover over the flag values. You can see that Excel is confused and they're treating them as text. So now we can enter another prompt in Copilot that in the revenue column, turn all the flag cells to numbers. Now you'll see Copilot would convert all the text values in the revenue column to actual numbers. Now that we have done that, let's move on. Here's the part that changed everything for me. I need a formula, total revenue by region, but skip all the blanks. I don't know the exact syntax off the top of my head, so I just ask Copilot, write a formula to calculate total revenue by region, excluding rows where revenue is blank. So basically, it writes the sum if formula, explains every single part, and I paste it in. It works first try. No Slack overview, no trial and error. Now see, as I scroll right, there's a new table that's created which shows all the total revenue that has been segregated in a region wise. Chicago, Dallas, Denver, Houston is 0. Okay. Now that Houston is 0, you can see that there are some blank cells in the region column. So what we can do is that we could ask Copilot to turn all these blank cells to the word Houston, because it's unlikely that Houston has revenue of $0. So it's probably an error, and these are all the missing regions, right? So let's do that. Done. So now you can see Copilot has filled the blanks in the region column. Now after this, you can see there's a date column, and also the dates are very, very messed up, right? So difficult to understand. Inconsistent formats. So, the date column, it has different formats, right? And in this column, you can see that it has a variety of formats. It can become a nightmare to understand. So again, we can enter a prompt to Copilot that for the date column, make everything in DD/MM/YYYY date format. Then you'll see that everything would be in a standardized and a consistent manner. Amazing, right? So that's it. Duplicate removal, error fixing, formula writing, format, standardizing, all in under 5 minutes. No formulas to memorize, no tutorials to watch, no understanding lengthy Excel courses. If this video has saved your time, subscribe. I post such tips every day. Check out the next videos. They are very, very interesting. Thank you very much.